This fully upgraded home with 2 master bedrooms just listed in the #1 most desired community in Las Vegas. Our new listing we are showing you today is located in Summerlin, which, if you didn't already know, is ranked #1 for the best neighborhood in Las Vegas to live in, as well as ranked #4 in all of the US. This home is located in the Summerlin Village, Redpoint. To learn more about the Redpoint community, click on our video over here. Just outside the neighborhood gates is a park fully equipped with an outdoor fitness area, playground, and covered seating area with a barbecue. Today we are taking you inside the gated community Crystal Canyon. This neighborhood is in the Summerlin West Homeowners Association, and it has 2 small parks within the neighborhood, one with a playground and one with a small field with a covered sitting area. Crystal Canyon features both 2-story and single-story homes. Our listing we are showing you today is a single-story home complete with easy-to-maintain desert landscaping. As we enter through the first door, you'll notice it opens up to a private courtyard, connecting you to the front door with a covered porch. Right through this way as well, you will also have access to the backyard, complete with turf and beautiful desert landscaping. Now, what you've all been waiting for, let's take a look inside. Upon entry, you are greeted by the fully upgraded dream kitchen, so keep watching to check that out. To the right, you have a cozy, informal living room, well lit with natural lighting and an attached powder room as well. Down the hall, you will have the second of the 2 master bedrooms with the same wood-like tile plank flooring that you'll be seeing throughout the home. You also have a full bathroom with a standing shower. Now let's take a look at the open concept kitchen and living area. This kitchen features an island with a breakfast bar, quartz countertops, soft closing drawers, a 5-burner cooktop and double oven, stainless steel appliances, a dishwasher, and extra storage built into the island. Completing the kitchen is a built-in microwave. Throughout this space, you'll notice the open concept floor plan with 10-foot ceilings, and not to mention built-in surround sound in the living room. The oversized 3-panel sliding door leads to the covered patio and allows for an abundance of natural light within the home. Just off the living room is the laundry area, which is right outside of master bedroom #1. Well lit from the large windows connecting your bedroom to the backyard, the bedroom has an oversized bathroom with dual sink vanity and a rainfall shower with luxury hex floor tiles. Down the hall, you will see the toilet area and the oversized walk-in closet. Completing the home is a fully finished garage with high ceilings, a tankless water heater, an insulated garage door, and epoxy flooring. So that's our newest listing. Comment down below, would you move into this home? What are your thoughts? Let us know, and if you want to check it out in person, our number is right there on the screen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and we'll see you in the next one.